Interior designing program at Indus University. Wait, what? Is it only about choosing furniture? इसका scope है भी या नहीं? Hello, my name is Vanya and I am from FCD department. Indus University एक ऐसा platform देती है where you can express your ideas through creativity and imagination. Do you want to bring some uniqueness in your life through innovative ideas? अब चाहे वो color scheme के through हो, furniture design के through हो या फिर decorative element के through हो. It is a 4 years bachelor's degree program जिसमें आप building construction, designing studio and lighting से लेकर सब सीखते हैं. And do you know what is the best part of all these programs? Let me tell you, it covers business aspect of interior studio includes project management, client communication, budgeting and marketing. In 7th semester, you have to choose your favorite topic for thesis and for 8th semester, you have to write a complete thesis book. एक strategic portfolio and a major design project जो कि juror और panel assess करते हैं which is also called final thesis and discipline. If we talk about admission criteria, it is very simple. If you get minimum D grades in your intermediate or A level, you are eligible to get enrolled in it. Let's build your future with us.